Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss controllability and observability of state of a system. Now what is controllability? We know that the control input is UT. Now if you have a control input and if the state of the system, by virtue of this control input, if the state of the system can be transferred from any initial state to any desired state, then the system is said to be state controllable. Then the system is said to be controllable. Okay, system is said to be completely state controllable if it is possible to transfer the state from any initial state to any desired state by virtue of a control input UT. So you can understand that as we are discussing state space, here we are doing everything with matrix. Naturally you can able to understand that the system state, what is the state matrix? It is A. Okay, and what is the input matrix? It is B. So naturally for test of controllability we have to know at matrix A as well as B. Okay, to know whether the system is state controllable or not, we should know A and B. C and D is not required. Actually, if you want to comment on state controllability, you need to know A and B matrix. Okay, so similarly if you want to know whether the system is observable or not, what do you mean by observable? Here if every state, each and every state of the system can be identified by the measured output yt over a finite time interval. That means if you go in the backward direction, you have a output of a system, and from this output yt you can able to get the states of the system. Okay, xt of the system, any desired state, any state. So if this happens, then it will be called observable. That means what you are observing, that means there is a phenomena happening. Why it is happening? That means why the output is coming. You can able to observe that from the output. So that type of systems are known as observable. Okay, so that means you can understand that for that you output matrix means C matrix. The output is associated with C matrix. So here you need C as well as you need the states. Naturally states are associated with A matrix. So to comment on or to get the observable, whether the system is observable or not, you need to have A matrix as well as C matrix. Okay, so these two things are controllability and observability. Now we are going to discuss whether how you can understand or what are the actions you have to take to get whether a system is controllable or observable. To know whether a system is controllable or observable, what you have to do? You have to go for a Kalman's test. So what is that? Suppose you want to know whether the system is controllable or not. What I have told you, you need to have two matrices. One is A and B. So these two matrices you need. So from these two matrix, you need to make a new matrix. I am writing it as QC. Okay. So this QC matrix will be B, then AB, then A square B. Depending upon the order of the system, this will be your new matrix A(n minus 1)B. Okay. So first, if the system matrix are 2 cross 2 matrix, then what will be if this system matrix A is a 2 cross 2 matrix, then what will be QC? QC will be then B and AB. Okay, so this will be my matrix. As per that, if it is a n cross n matrix, this will be the general relation of this QC. Now, what you have to find after getting this QC, you have to get the determinant of it. Okay, so what is the, if you want to make the system controllable, the matrix, this matrix QC, the matrix QC should have a rank. The rank and the order of the matrix should be same. Rank and the order of the matrix should be same. But here it will be very easy. If you find the determinant of this QC matrix, you have to find the determinant of the QC matrix. If it is not equal to 0, that means the rank is equal to order of the system. The rank and the order is same. The rank and order of the matrix is same. If determinant of QC is equal to 0, that means the rank and order of the matrix is not same. So the system will be not completely controllable. These you only have to do. Okay. Similarly, in case of observability matrix, what you need? You need the matrix output matrix C and the system matrix A. Okay. Here also you have to take you have to form a observability matrix. Now what is the observability matrix? It will be just like QC, it will be QO and it will look like this. C, then it will be CA, then it will be C square A and Cn minus 1A. It is for n cross n. Okay, or you can write it in this way too. It will be C transpose. If you write in this manner, it will be C transpose, then it will be A transpose, C transpose, and then it will be A, then it will be A, I have written it wrong, it will be A square, it will be small. Okay, so it will be A transpose, C transpose. In this way it will be A. So this will be the matrix. So here also what you have to find, after finding QO, you have to take the determinant. If determinant is not equal to 0, that means rank is equal to order. If determinant is 0, that means rank is not equal to order, and the system will be not observable. Otherwise the system will be observable. Okay. So look at an example. This is a linear system given. Here A matrix is this, B is this, C is this. So comment on controllability and observability of the system. Okay. So if we want to get the controllability, what we have to do? We have to first find the controllability matrix. So what is the controllability matrix? As it is a 2 cross 2 matrix, my controllability matrix will be B and AB. Okay. So this will be my controllability matrix. I know what is B. So first find what is AB. Okay. So if I want to find AB, so what is A matrix? Minus 1, 0, 0, minus 2. And what is B matrix? 0, 1. So row and column. So this is 0, this is 0. Okay. So the first element is 0. This row, this column. This is 0, this is 0 and this is minus 2. So it will be minus 2. So my AB matrix is this. Right. So what will be my QC matrix? My QC matrix will be 0, 1 and then 0 minus 2. Now what we have to find? We have to find the determinant. So determinant of QC 0, 0. So it is becoming 0. So rank is not equal to order. Rank of QC, order of the QC is 2 because it's a 2 cross 2 matrix. So rank of QC is not equal to 2. What is 2? 2 is order of QC. So that means this matrix, this system is not state controllable. This is not completely controllable. So the system is not controllable, completely controllable. Okay. So this is not controllable. Okay. Now what happened to whether it is observable or not? That means from the backward side whether we can get the states or not, that we have to consider. Next, so what is the observability matrix? QO. This is C matrix, this is C matrix and then CA. Right. This is C matrix and then CA. Okay, it is a 2 cross 2 matrix. So C matrix we know, so find CA. So what was C? C was 1, 2. C was 1, 2. So 1 and 2, it's a row matrix. And what is A? A is minus 1, 0, 0, minus 2. Okay, so minus 1, 0, 0 minus 2. Okay. So now what we have to do? We have to take the row as well as the column. The row and the column. Just like what we have do here, the row and the column, here we have to do that also. So this is the row and this is the column. So the first is minus 1 plus 2, 0. Okay. So it is becoming minus 1. So it is becoming minus 1. And then 0 and minus 4. So this. So our CA matrix is becoming this. So Q observable will be, what was C? C was 1, 2. So it is 1, 2. And what is CA? It is minus 1 and minus 4. So now what we have to do? It's a 2 cross 2 matrix. That means order is of this system or of Q0 matrix is 2. So what we have to find? We have to find the determinant of QO. Okay, so it will be 1 into minus 4. So it will be minus 4 minus 2. That means plus 2. So it is becoming minus 2. So it is not equal to 0. It is not equal to 0. That means the order of the rank of the QO matrix is equal to order of the matrix. Okay, so here the system is completely observable. So the system is, so the rank is equal to the order. The system is completely observable. Okay, so in this way we have to find whether the system is controllable or controllable or not, or observable or not. Hope you all understand. As in this example we get that system, the same system is not controllable but completely observable. Hope you all understand what I have given in the lecture. So thank you.